Welcome back to the Cloud Computing series. In our previous videos, we covered the basics of cloud computing, its service models and its deployment models. Today, we're going to be comparing three of the biggest cloud providers in the world: Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Let's get started. Let's start with Amazon Web Services. AWS is the oldest and most mature cloud provider, and it offers the widest range of services. It's also the most popular cloud provider, with a market share of over 30%. AWS supports all operating systems and generally ranks as the top IaaS platform for availability, reliable performance, and the number of applications. What kind of services will you find through AWS? So far, there are 18,000 distinct services and counting. They include developer, engagement, and management tools, machine learning and predictive analytics, databases and storage solutions, business productivity tools, app integration, compute, and many others. Known as a solid, integrated platform for companies that already rely on Windows-based standardization, Microsoft Azure has overcome some obstacles to compete head-to-head with AWS. The platform is available in 54 regions around the world, with services that are designed to increase productivity while deploying the most current technology. It's also one of the easiest enterprise clouds when it comes to configuring and operation. With Azure, you'll enjoy services like big data and predictive analytics, game and app development, scalable data warehousing, blockchain technology, DevOps, IoT integration, and so on. As far as IaaS providers go, Google Cloud Platform is the relative newcomer. It supports several generations of Linux in addition to Windows Server versions up to 2016. As of 2018, it had expanded to 21 regions that are divided into a minimum of 3 zones each. This gives it a shorter reach than the other two providers, but Google is attempting to make up for lack of range in other ways, such as innovative undersea server deployment. Data centers are being added so quickly, there is no current reliable count. All of the functionality is operable through a new console that was designed with ease of use in mind, and it's simple to set up and configure. Services include data management and storage, app development, SMB business analytics and AI, productivity and workload management tools. One of the greatest advantages of cloud computing is the expansive storage capabilities. As with most features, each platform is strong in different ways. For example, AWS takes the prize for range of storage options, while Azure has more specialized solutions like their data lake that's specifically designed for large, data-rich applications. Google offers fewer storage options, but they're more unified and targeted. All three platforms include several types of databases, with Azure offering the widest variety and sizes. Backups are an essential security and recovery feature. However, if you choose GCP, you're on your own. There are no backups available with this platform yet. AWS has Glacier, but Azure is the only platform providing several backup solutions, including archival storage. The fact that AWS had a 7-year head start makes it a better known and more seasoned enterprise cloud platform. But, does that make it the best? Each of the big three business cloud service providers have benefits and drawbacks that may differ according to your own requirements and circumstances. Amazon has a wider reach and availability of services, and it has dominated the market since its release. Windows has the advantage of built-in compatibility since most companies already depend on Microsoft products for daily business operations. However, Google Cloud Platform also integrates with its wide range of products and platforms, world-class analytics, and ownership of the world's 2 largest search engines, Google and YouTube. It also supports almost any operating system and offers flexibility due to a commitment to open source. Google is also an innovator when it comes to cloud-native business solutions. Pricing is difficult to parse with each of these companies, but there are some similarities and distinctions. All three offer a free tier of service with limited options, and they all charge on demand for the resources you use. Let's dive a little deeper into the details. As for AWS, there isn't a whole lot of transparency here, although the platform does provide its customers with a cost calculator. The pricing structure is so complex, we recommend using a third-party management app to help you navigate through your options and contain costs. They do offer 750 hours of EC2 service per month for up to 12 months as part of their free tier. What about Azure? This is another platform where it will benefit you to obtain expert guidance. The pricing options are mainly situational in an effort to cater to the unique needs of each customer. Like AWS, Azure offers 750 hours of the Windows or Linux B1S edition of their primary compute platform, virtual machines, per year. It's free to try, which is nice for any business who wants to test the cloud waters. Pricing is one area where Google tries to stand apart from the crowd by making their pricing structure a little less opaque and more customer-friendly. They strive to beat the list prices offered by most cloud services providers and give steep discounts and other incentives to win business. Google's free tier incentive include one F1 micro instance per month for up to 1 year. If you're looking for an easy-to-navigate, budget-friendly service that shows promising growth potential, this is the platform for you. So, which cloud provider is right for you? It depends on your specific needs and requirements. If you need a wide range of services and a global network of data centers, then AWS or Azure are good choices. If you're looking for a cloud provider that can help you to innovate quickly, then GCP is a good choice. Now, which cloud provider is best for your business? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. That's all for this video. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch the rest of the videos in this series to learn more about cloud computing.